Sunday morning. So Lana, your gearbox is all out. What's happening?
The gearbox had got a leak, which you noticed. Initially thought it might be the engine, but then realised it is actually the gearbox. So we're just taking it back out again.
And what we found?
We found a leak.
Where?
It's leaking from this rather loosely done up bolt here, and luckily it's not this bit, which was what we feared might be the case. So we're gonna.
So that's going to be nice and easy for us, isn't it?
Hopefully, fingers crossed. That'll just
Now,
be it.
Lon, what's all these things about?
I don't know where they came from. It's leaking out the gearbox.
So
Smarties.
tell me about Smarties.
About Smarties, so I found out that these kind of Smarties, which are actually the American kind, which we kind of know as, I don't know, fizzies or something, they started making those after the war in the ammunition factories where they stopped making explosives and turned them into sweets. So this is just a bit of fun for the Sunday morning club.
So basically your gearbox is a sweet rack.
It is. It's very smart too.
And how's your battery doing for the warranty?
It didn't work. Still haven't done that.
So we'll fix this leak and put her back in. We'll change all those screws, I think, and make it nice and tidy.
Lovely.
So next job, fix that, gearbox back in.
Yeah.
Again.
Again. Yeah. We're getting expert at this now though, so it'll
Cool.
be fine.
Okay, mate.
Cool.